Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect the CTX battery sense monitor. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, so let's see the battery sense in action. First, simply connect the positive and negative terminals to the battery. You can use the sticky pad to fix it to a smooth, clean surface, or you can use the ties to strap the monitor securely in the engine compartment. Next, download the Battery Sense app from the App Store if you've got an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you're on an Android smartphone. Now, when you launch the app for the first time, it'll ask you to enter the sender ID. You'll find this on the bottom of the monitor itself, and it's also on a sticker on the box. Then just click connect and the app will sync to the monitor by Bluetooth. And it's as simple as that. Now, when your smartphone's in range, you can see at a glance the current state of your battery along with its temperature and voltage. The app constantly monitors the battery to give you background updates, and it'll alert you when your battery needs charging. To ensure the app receives updates from the battery sense monitor, your app must be running in the background. Which means, and this is the really important bit, on iOS you should not close the app. And on Android, you have to make sure background updates in settings are switched on for battery sense. By default, the zoomable graph lets you check the state of battery over a 5-day period. Or you can zoom in or out to look at a specific day or a period of days. Battery Sense works with a range of different types of battery, and you can manually input different capacities from 5 amp hours up to 200 amp hours for even more accurate monitoring. The app will work with multiple Battery Sense monitors if you've got different vehicles or other batteries you need to keep an eye on. You can quickly type in the name of each vehicle or battery, even add a photo for quick identification. And that's all you need to do to get your CTEK Battery Sense monitor up and running. Thanks for watching.